And we got to return the cores so we can come back and return the cores. I take this whole cover off to get to this belt in there. Crazy. Sucks. Serious. These are usually like Phillips head screwdrivers, like screw bits, and then they're star bits right now. Tiny little star bits. There's always a ton of stuff up in here in these things too. Rocks and everything. And back here, underneath here, there's stuff on the older cars. I don't know about this thing. It's kind of new, 2021. Not very old. Mr. Singh. Yes, sir. No, I don't have time today. I'm out here on 69 fixing the alternator for somebody, and I have a job after that as well. No time today, unfortunately.
When do you have time?
I have time tomorrow, probably.
Yeah, this is my friend is the same problem with the brake, you know. The same is like my Mercedes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I can definitely do it tomorrow. Does he get off work at a certain time?
Yeah, I can ask him.
Okay.
Hi.
Either that, or I could just come over here. Sounds good, sir. I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Look at all these screws here. God, it's hot. I'm not completely on fire yet. That water staying hydrated helps. For sure. Where's that? Richie. See the bucket if you look in there. That's supposed to be that bucket. Tensioner off. Take the belt off the tensioner. Here we go. Belt. Go, bam. Come on now. Get out of there. You gotta slide in behind it. Try not to take it all the way off. Just keep it back here. What is that, 15, I think? She's a 15. Can you hand me that socket rail, the black one up there? This is like one of the most alternators I do. Like one of the most common jobs is alternator on these Chevy Traverse, all these Chevy Equinox, GMC, Acadia. Keeping them bow. Yeah, that's a weird angle. Yep, she's out. Especially on Monday too. Really hope I don't have to take this hose off here. That would suck. Then we'll have to lose some coolant. Might be a slider through right here. Anchor right through there. Disconnect that thing maybe. Just a little bit of play there. Out, and out. Size of those. Because it'll catch on those studs. It's got nuts that go on the stud. The studs go in the top two alternator bolts, and then the nuts go over it. If you take just the nuts off, you have to slide it down, and you can't get it out.
It literally.
Alright, where are we at now? Alright. Come on out there, buddy. Come on out. Where are we hitching on? Shaboom. Got her out, dog. That's crazy, that thing's bad. Same part. Good. How long is that one? Is that one not as long as this one? Dang, man. I don't want to put that one on there. I want to put the old one on there. It's nice. Hopefully it'll tighten down on it. Take this nut off. How about trouble with this being long? Take here. honestly make it much easier to get at it. Oh, super long bolts for sure. See here. Come on now. Free. Yes. Check in to see mode. Voltage. If I can even figure this thing out. I just don't know how, mine seems like it's a little bit dead. So, 600 volts, let's see. 151, that's insanity.